Hello, my beautiful people. Yeah, I know I come here every single week to give y'all my trades and what I've profited. The way that I trade is a strategy that's low risk. It doesn't require day trading or reading charts, but it produces a consistent income. I know what I'm making every single week. There is a range to it, and I can rely on it to pay these daggone bills. Okay, so if you're new here, give me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Paris Smith, and I was able to retire myself from the 9 to 5 at 24 years old, simply meaning I fired my boss. Okay, and I've never went back to the 9 to 5 since. And that was in 2021, July 2nd, 2021. And we're in 2026. They won't ever see me step foot in anybody else's office because of this trading strategy right here. Now, if you are interested in learning more about this trading strategy, it's perfect for beginners or even if you are a whole vet, okay, in the game. But you are sick and tired of reading charts to make your income or understanding how day trading work. You ain't got to do all that, okay? We only trade once a week. It takes us less than a minute. We click the same buttons every single week, but we profit consistent profits every single week that we trade. I have the link to an upcoming free stock trading masterclass. I literally break it all down, how I did it, my whole strategy on leaving my 9 to 5 to live off of my income through this trading strategy. The link to register is in the description. Cannot wait to see you there. We're going to have a good time. Please come early and make sure you're in the room early because there's a number that we're capped off at. Once we have that many people in the room, we can't accept nobody else. So please make sure you are there early, okay? Anyway, the date and the time will be in that link. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I got my phone in my hand because I got to tell y'all my profits. Now, Monday morning, okay, the stock market opened and I said it's money making Monday. So y'all know I've been trading the same two stocks. How the strategy works for those who are new, because I have a lot of new people and I have a lot of students in here that watch my videos as well. Just to get a quick little rundown. We trade the same companies every single week, so we're not dipping and dabbing into different stocks. So y'all know that I am trading ticker symbol DAL, company name is Delta, and ticker symbol B, the company name is Barrick, something like that. I always get it wrong. Barrick. Let me tell you right now, it's a mining corp. Barrick Mining Corp. So, excuse me. The two stocks that I chose to trade, it has all the fundamentals, it's low risk, it's not too volatile and all that. In order for the strategy to work, you have to pick a stock that has all the fundamentals and that doesn't move like that. I call it boring money. One, because the strategy is absolutely boring. We don't do nothing but trade once a week. That takes a minute and then we set it and we forget it. We don't even log back in until the trade expires if you want to, or just, trade every day that you like. You could trade either on Friday, you could trade on Monday. I trade on Monday. Yeah. So what I do is sometimes I will log in when the trade is about to expire, just do a little glance. And half the time I don't log in. I just trade on Mondays. I log in on Mondays to trade. It expires. I log in on Monday to trade. That's it. So, anyway, let's get into it. So, we have Delta. I like Delta because it has all of the fundamentals. If you're like, girl, what's the fundamentals? I'll talk about that in the free stock trading masterclass that's coming up. But it has all the fundamentals. It's super, super solid. It doesn't move too crazy. And y'all know right now what the type of market we're in, it's a little volatile. The market is up, the market is down, it's sideways, it's crazy, right? But the profits with this stock is absolutely consistent. And the stock price, it moves just a little bit. I can handle it, right? So I've made in total with Delta $881.91. I've traded 4 contracts in total. And what else? What else? I think my premium. Okay, I did not write down my premium. I didn't write it down. But if I could remember, it was good. It was like over $1. That's for sure. I mean, I made $800 with 4 contracts. $881.91. I put it on the screen. Oh, you guys probably already seen it on the screen. Now, the second stock I traded was ticker symbol B. Only 1 contract, and I made $85.48 on that. In total, I made over $900 in 1 week. And I did absolutely nothing. In fact, I just rolled up out of bed, clicked a few buttons, and clicked on submit. I didn't commute to no 9 to 5 for this wonderful $900+ No. I didn't do it. I didn't break a sweat. Oh, my fingers did a little workout, but that's it. You mean to tell me I did nothing and I'm making some people use this as their supplemental income. An extra $900 that could go pay 2 bills. Pay down some debts. Go and save it up for a vacation. And I know some of y'all like, well, girl, how much you have in your account? I use margin. I have in my account, I think I'm at, well, I read it this morning, $25,000 in my broker account. But I have, how many? Let's see, 4 contracts of Delta and 1 contract of ticker symbol B. Half of it is not my money. I use margin. I like to call margin free money that the broker gives you. That's what I like to call it. But it's free money that the broker gives you because you can write it off on your taxes. The interest fee that you pay, you can write it off. Free money. But anyway, that's a little deep for this video. I'm not trying to get too, deep with it, but I just come here to share my profits with y'all. And y'all know I tell you guys what I plan on doing with the profits as of that $900+. I have no plans on spending it on anything. No bills to pay, no emergencies, thank the Lord. What else? I don't plan on reinvesting it yet to buy more shares or investing it to, into my long-term portfolio, purchasing more shares for my long-term. But y'all know, I always come here and let y'all know my plans on my profits. So, with that being said, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I come here every single Monday with my profits and what I plan on doing with my profits and what I plan on doing with my next trade and all that good stuff. But anyways, if you're interested in learning more about this trading strategy, I'll see y'all in my next stock trading masterclass. The link is in the description. I am Paris Smith, that wealth chick. I gotta go. See you in the next video. Bye.